Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the buttons on the top. So what are we going to do is we're going to go over here. Now we're going to simply press the volume up button. And we want to make sure that the phone icon is fully blue, so that means it is increased up to the max. And now we can also do that while being on an active call. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go over to the settings. Here in the settings, we're going to go over to Bluetooth. So here we got the Bluetooth. Now we want to make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled to rule out any connected devices such as speakers, headphones, and etc. So we want to make sure to disable the Bluetooth for the time of testing. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to restart the tablet. So let's go over and hold the power button. Now do not mind Gemini popping up, just tap on reboot. And now it is rebooting. So as you guys can see, the tablet should soon appear with a logo right here. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, we're going to simply enter the password if you have one. If not, just make sure that you unlock your tablet. Now after unlocking it, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the speaker grills. So we all know that the speaker grills are the most important thing here. We got them right here for an example, and also right here on the other side. So we want to make sure that we clean them with something like a soft brush or an air compressor. So an air compressor can definitely help you out there if there's something stuck in your speaker grills. This is very important that you get rid of it, because this may block a lot of the sound or it may block it completely, so we definitely do not want it. Now what are we going to do is we're going to update our software as a last resort. So let's go over, open up the settings app, wait for it to load, and scroll down here until you guys see about tablet. So it's all the way on the bottom. We're going to tap on the system update, and it is checking for updates automatically. So I have the latest version. We get the information right here. If you have an update available, you will see it on this button right here. It won't say check for updates, but it will say download and install the latest version. So we want to click it when we are not on the latest version to get rid of any old glitches that may be glitching our phone, so that we do not have sound during calls. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.